Do you know many people are having trouble with flashing lights on their HP Envy 6430E? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Reset printer. Turn off the printer and turn it back on to reset the system. Step 2. Check errors. Look for error messages or icons on the control panel to identify issues. Step 3. Inspect cartridges. Inspect the ink cartridges to ensure they are installed properly with enough ink. Step 4. Clear jams. Remove any paper jams and ensure the paper is loaded correctly in the tray. Step 5. Reconnect network. Verify and reconnect the printer to the wireless network if needed. After following these steps, your printer should be back to normal operation. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.